Alright, I'm going to show you how to open a yay lock, gold door lock, Simpson, just any ordinary lock like on suitcases and etc. with the homemade picks. These are my two homemade picks, tension wrench and bobby pin. How to make a tension wrench? My tension wrench is made from slinky. I've cut a bit of slinky, about this much, cut it off, straighten it out with pliers. I made my pick from a bobby pin. I cut the little pieces off from here, little like blobs from the inside, straighten it out about this angle and this, straighten it out. That's it. Here you go. Then bended this with my special way, which I'm not going to show to you. I'm going to show to you in my other videos. Other way of making a tension wrench is from any key ring. Basically, there's this sort of ring thing. Basically, take it apart, open it up, and there you go. And try to straighten it out as much as possible. Well, that's not my sort of way. I didn't like it. I tried with one, didn't kind of work, but never mind. Many people say fuse from the pen lids and etc. I don't like it. It's just pointless and it's too big. That's how I make from slinky. It's perfect, fits in exactly. So yeah. Okay, watch my other part, my part 2, where I've actually used my home picks to open a proper yay lock and other tools in any, like, really fast. Oh, by the way, I made my own picks by using tried to make sand down the Allen's key, well, which not working for me, and made these picks for myself. Well, I don't use them. I hate them. For people who are buying them, they're taking like so seriously. Yeah, do buy them if you want to, but just to like mess around and to show off your skills in front of your mates, this is like the best tools and kits for just opening any padlocks. Right, watch my second part.